Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn class 12 supplementary reader Vistas chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is The Enemy, written by Paul Seidensteicher Buck. Paul Seidensteicher Buck. Student, this is also a very realistic chapter. In class 12 most of you have noticed that most of the chapters are having some relation with your life. At the first chapter where we noticed about the patriotism of a person, Mr. Hamel. Second chapter about the children who are living in slum, how they have been manipulated, exploited. So here we will get another story of human beings' patriotism. Before starting the chapter, I will be telling you about the writer, Paul Seidensteicher Buck. Actually, the writer who has won both the prizes, Pulitzer Prize, you know about that. The Pulitzer Prize has been given for best contribution in literature, and the world's most desirable Nobel Prize, also Paul Seidensteicher Buck got Nobel Prize in literature also. So all of his writings are connected with human beings' life. He presented the picture of the society, and most of the cases his backgrounds are of Chinese families. So probably most of his writings are connected with China because he noticed everything by his first impression. And in this chapter also we will notice that he has presented a human being's dilemma. A human being's dilemma, you notice this word, dilemma. It's a situation where a people got stuck, any person, they hesitate what they should do, what is their responsibility. So here also in the chapter Enemy we will get this dilemma on a person who was in one hand a great patriot, at the same time a good doctor cum scientist. So before starting I will be telling the setting of this chapter. The chapter has been set under the background of Second World War. So that means from 1939 to 1945. We know this time the world has been divided in two parts, Allies and Axis power. So in that cases we will notice that the first character of this chapter, a doctor, he was also a scientist, Dr. Sadao, who is a very eminent doctor. At the same time he was a scientist and also a great patriot. Not only that, he was a Japanese doctor. Although before starting of Second World War, although he is a doctor, his nationality is Japanese, but he passed that degree, or he achieved that degree from America. So we will now come to that point. In First World War, Allies and Axis power. We know in Axis power there was Japan, Germany, and in Allies we know, USA, Britain, also other countries are there. So notice Dr. Sadao, who was a Japanese, and he passed or he achieved his degree from USA. Before telling about his characters, I want to tell you that Paul Seidensteicher Buck has started this chapter with a reminiscent mood. Reminiscent means when the doctor, the main character of this chapter, he was remembering some of his past life history. How he became a doctor, what happened. So he was just visualizing his past stories, how he married to his wife, another character, his wife Hannah. So Hannah, who is Hannah? The wife of Dr. Sadao. So he was remembering that how all the changes has been made by the World War. At the beginning, he was remembering that his father was a great patriot. Every time his father was telling that our nationality, you have to give the most important to our nationality, and never forget our country, that where you have born, you have to pay respect to that country. Although he has been sent to America for his doctorate degree, but his father every time make her aware of the fact that you are a person from Japan, so you have to return to your country. Dr. Sada was living in a coastal area. You know, the Japan is a country of islands, so many islands are there. So he was living also in the coastal area. The sea beach was just, he can watch from his house balcony. From his house balcony he can watch the sea beach. And so many islands are there. So after the sea beach, there were some rocky, stony places are there where no people can swim or no boats can land there. Dr. Sada was, in the evening, he was remembering how he went to America. There, how his father was having great concern for his studies. His father spent almost all his wealth to make his son a good doctor. And there, Dr. Sada met Hana, who also came to his house for studying together. And after that, he met Hana. He fell in love with Hana, but he did not proceed further because he wanted to clarify the fact that Hana was a Japanese girl or not. Then when he came to know, when he confirmed that Hana was also a Japanese girl, so at first he went to his father to get the consent of his father, because he knew that his father will never allow Dr. Sada to marry a girl who is from any other nationality. But lucky Dr. Sada was that his father agreed their marriage, and it was completed with the rituals, Japanese rituals. So after that, they became a very happy couple and continued their work. At that time, when he was remembering everything, he was standing on the balcony of his house, and then his wife Hana came to him. Suddenly they noticed that it was just after evening time, and you know that most of the cases in moonlit nights, the reflection of moonlight, it reflects on waves of the ocean, and they noticed that in far away some person, not only one person was there, he was struggling hard to come out from the surface waves. And Dr. Sada noticed that once he stand up and he fall down. So he was surprised. He thought that some of the fishermen may have stuck with the rocks and he may have badly injured. That's why he could not even stand up there. So both of them, they ran towards the person, and after coming near the person, they watched that really a young man, maybe not more than 18 or 19 years, really badly injured, and he could not even stand up on his leg. So both of them, and Dr. Sada was also a doctor, he tried to treat the man, but when they noticed the young man from the closer side, they were surprised. It was clear from his dress and from his cap that he was a person who has run away from prison. He was an American soldier. He has been captured by Japanese people, and somehow he managed to escape from that, and there was a sign of bullet, and it was badly injured, bloods were coming out. So at that time we will know that the doctor